this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead and welcome to Fabric Friday. Now, one or two of you have mentioned when I showed the trailer tent quilt that they liked the mosaic blocks and how I did them. So I thought I'd show you how now. The first thing is I got scraps of denim, small bits, larger bits, whichever, and I sewed them to a 1-inch strip. So there's just one piece on its own. Aha, I've missed it, I've lost it. So possibly the camera will pick this up better. It's a light coloured denim sewn to the 1-inch strip. Now that's a long piece, but because of that it's more manageable. So I would leave it this size and cut it down in a bit when I've got more added to it. What I would do then is take it to the sewing machine and put another piece of material next to the black. As I did do there. And pressed it back so that the black strip that I was using to put them together, that was folded out, so that was flat, and it was my fabric that was folded, you know, the denim that was folded, and I'd press it like that. Then I'd get black strip again and I would put it right sides together and sew it on. So I would end up with 2 pieces of fabric with the black strip attached to a black strip, and then I could decide whether to add another 2-piece to that black strip, or if I got, because I've got a load of bits here still left, or if I'd been sewing some together and I've got quite a few, because this has got a black strip on, I could actually sew it to there. But I'll go through and I'll start a block off with you. So I've got this that I sewed to the black strip. Now we've got the black strip, so I can choose. I'll actually sew a few pieces to it. Oh, I've got the wrong colour thread, but never mind, this is just to show you. Now, because there's a fair size, it's quite long, I'll choose another bit and sew it to it. All basically you're worrying about is a straight line. There's another 2 with a black to it. Don't really need that. It's only a small one and I'm running out of small ones. Let's put that one on. And the bobbins run out as well. But as you can see, there's a strip and there's the bits I added to it. So I can now actually take it to the iron, press it all back and then cut it at that point. So I've now got 3 pieces joined together, and I just carried on, never putting the coloured the denim next to denim. I always made sure that I put a black strip first. So when I got quite a few, I would put the black strip down it and then join it to, say for instance, this one. I would join those two together and I get a lot. So I don't just work on one block. I've got bits, 2s, 3s joined together, lots joined together, some with black on, like that one, some with no black. Then I can join it together. I've still got me little strips, looks a bit like a washing line, and I just carried on until I'd got enough to cut into squares, and I did 10-inch squares. Thank you. Bye.